Hey, good morning. Chuck here and Paige in That Phanom, Thailand.
Everything you said they already knew, more or less.
Well, here's something that you didn't know. 2 of those special atomic bombs haven't gone off.
Hey, I want to give you guys an update on what's happening here in That Phanom with the flooding. They've got the pumps turned on, well, they have them turned off at the moment to drain out the drains inside the town. The temple was flooding the other day, so they put this gigantic diesel pump to pump out most of the water. So they got the streets under control. They were flooded yesterday, but now they're not. We're pretty lucky. You can see that the sun is out right now. In the past 4 days, we haven't had any rain in That Phanom, which really doesn't matter too much about the flooding, other than the standing water from the rain, if it were to rain here like it has been for 3 weeks straight. But the problem is this is the Mekong River here, and the Mekong River goes all the way up to the Himalayas, so it's affected by rain all the way up there. There was a dam that had broken in Laos, which is downriver, quite a ways down, but all that water could help slow the movement of the Mekong River. But that happened a few days ago. Laos over here is...
Look, I found a boat to rescue you.
Oh, we have a rescue boat now. You found a boat? Oh, okay.
Perfect. 1 passenger.
All right. Well, this is the water level right here, guys. They say when it gets up to 2 steps, where this big lizard is right there, it'll start pumping water into the drains through the town. So the flooding won't actually be because of the water coming over the edge. It'll be because throughout the town are these drainage ditches all throughout the town, everywhere. So the water will start coming out of that. They had to open up a few dams in Laos because they're flooded. They're in deep trouble over there right now, so they had to open up their dams, and that's causing this to happen too. Also, there's been heavy raining and heavy flooding in the past few days up in the Chiang Rai area, and kind of I want to say like a tri-county area up there. It's been raining heavily right on the Mekong River, so we're getting a lot of runoff from that. And all the neighboring provinces around, most of them have like a retention pond that was dammed off from rivers that flow into the Mekong. So they've had to open up their dams as well, and that's what's also filling up the river. So I see the papaya trees are dying. Usually about 3 days worth of water, and they don't like a lot of water. But anyway, that's what's happening today. Thai people are very resilient. Life still goes on, even in the flooding towns. They manage to get by. They do live day by day, so they don't worry about what's happening, I think. But last night we did see a bunch of people carrying several packs of bottled water. So it was good. It was good to see that, and yeah, I went across the street after seeing that myself and said, hey, we better get some water. But yeah, that's what's happening. Tomorrow, there's always a celebration in Thailand, right? Always a celebration in my house and in my town. So, little cake. His birthday's tomorrow. The one with the cooking with kids. Little cake. Her name is Cake. So non-cake. But we're gonna have they're gonna have a party, and she has asked me to make her a strawberry cake. So. Yeah, I got to do that today. Now, P. Tony and Mamu are the ones that take care of cake and cream. So we're going to be going to their house, and hopefully P. Tony, who has been diagnosed with severe, it's basically at this point stage 4 cancer in his liver. So there's not a lot of treatment that can be done for him. So he's just trying to, what are you doing? You're trying to feed me stuff off a tree?
Yeah.
Tastes like a tiny plum.
Not over, it's free.
Random fruit tree. But anyway, he's not able to keep a lot of stuff down, so he's not doing real well. So hopefully good things will come, I hope.
See everywhere.
So gonna bring you guys tomorrow for that adventure. Gotta go. Oh, and she wants me to make them some hamburgers.
A baby hamburger.
Little tiny hamburgers. So I gotta go home and bake bread or make bread, and then I gotta go buy some hamburger meat. But it's gonna be pork because the beef meat sucks. So I gotta go try to find some pork meat at the market. Anyway, that's what's happening. Everybody always, one thing about Thailand is they always want to know, where are you going and what did you eat? It's kind of like in the US that we say, hey, what's happening? Or, hey, it's a nice day today. Thai people, they, where are you going and what are you eating? Anyway, let's go check out some more water. Well, it looks like it's come up about another meter since the last we looked at it, or the last I made a video on it. One more meter and it'll be over the top. Crazy. Look how fast this thing's going. I have a feeling they'll put culverts all down in here and get rid of this mess, because this is stupid here. That's pretty full. It's got a lot of water in it, so you see how much more water it's going to take to start coming over. Yeah, see the water? It's kind of full. But that's what'll happen. It'll start coming up through here. But it's coming up on the back side. It's on the back of these houses. It's all water right now. You could see the water in there. It's my truck on high ground. But they wouldn't have this problem if they would actually put pipe in the ground. But anyway, what do I know?
I put some catfish in.
Yeah, I don't know if you can see it, but it's full right here.
The pump.
So they got to kick the pump on to suck that out this morning. They've turned it off at night because it's too loud. I'm surprised they're really worried about that in Thailand. Thai patch job. Dog shit. Okay guys, well I am going to get up in the morning and I will show you guys what the river looks like in the morning. Got a busy day tomorrow, so I'm gonna bring you guys of course along for a fun day tomorrow. We didn't have any rain today, which is awesome, but the river is still rising because of all the scenarios that I told you a minute earlier. We gotta go to Tambun in the morning. I'll explain that tomorrow. And then we're gonna go with the group of people and go eat, of course eat, right? Eat some breakfast. Okay. Look how beautiful Paige is today. She, I went riding. I went to Renew and back. I did 30, actually today total 40K on the bike. And you did what?
5K.
She did 5K running or walking? Walk back. I came home and she was beat red. I'm like, what happened to you? So she was exercising. So tomorrow evening is going to be Little Cake's birthday party. Gonna bring you guys, of course, along for that. I'm sure it'll be fun. Hopefully P. Tony will be involved in that. I think he will. I hope so. But that's it, guys. Oh, yeah, the mosquitoes. They went to a funeral today. My mother-in-law and father-in-law, one of their friends from Bangkok's brother died. So, you know, Thailand's a lot, they think a lot differently when it comes to funerals and deaths and stuff like that. It's more of a celebration. So yesterday they had something similar to a viewing. Then they had a big, actually they did it at the temple, so there was no alcohol involved. So they all came here and partied till like 11 o'clock at night. Me and Paige went to sleep, left them alone. So they all came back over for lunch and was drinking beer. I didn't want to show you guys that because it's like living in a house full of fraternity kids, you know, biker gang. So anyway, they're here again tonight. They had the final ceremony where they burned the body, and that was done today. So everybody, a lot of their friends who are spread out around Thailand are here, and you guys seen most of these faces before, but they're in here partying right now and eating, and then tomorrow's a party, and then I don't know about Sunday Fun Day, but it's like never ending this week. I'm not sure, but anyway. Let's see what's for dinner. So I made some extra bread today. So this is aloy mak. Kanom pan aloy mai? Aloy mai? Okay. Anyway, got soup, beef. Oh yeah, we got some crickets. I told Paige to tell their mom just put peanuts on the table because they never eat anything. Anyway, guys, stay tuned for tomorrow. Keep you updating on the flooding. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys tomorrow. Bye. Maybe I'll get him to say goodbye. Bye. Okay, guys. See you tomorrow.